This plant is commonly known as the trumpet vine or trumpet creeper Campsis radicans. It's easily recognized by its large, trumpet-shaped flowers, which are usually bright orange to red in color. To grow a trumpet vine successfully, follow these key tips. 1. Planting location *. Choose a sunny spot as this vine thrives in full sun to partial shade. This plant is known as Veronica spicata, commonly referred to as spike speedwell. To water these correctly, water deeply but infrequently to encourage deep root growth. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between watering. They require consistent moisture, but they do not like to sit in wet soil. Overhead watering should be avoided to prevent leaf diseases. Instead, water at the base. The plant in the image is a Dieffenbachia, commonly known as dumb cane. To control pests and diseases in Dieffenbachia. 1. Monitor for common pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. If pests are detected, use insecticidal soap or neem oil as an organic treatment. 2. Ensure proper air circulation around the plant to prevent fungal diseases, and